Hey guys, what's going on? In this video today, we're going to be talking about how to create your lookalike audience campaign. It's pretty much going to be the same thing as other campaigns you've created, okay? So what you're going to want to do is go ahead to the Ads Manager in your Business Manager, click Create, click on Conversions, click Continue, and you're going to want to name your campaign, Product, and then Lookalike Audience, Purchase, Conversions. Then scroll down, go ahead and click Next, and then you're going to basically do the same thing here. You're going to type in what audience you are targeting. So for example, 1% lookalikes, okay, on Add to Carts. Okay, so here you would pick Purchase, right? And then you're going to scroll down. You could start at $5 or $10 here. I probably would start at 10 because the audience is going to be bigger than retargeting. Retargeting, we said we'd start at 5, but this is going to be a bigger audience. We're going to have it start the next day at midnight. Right, and then you're going to scroll down and under custom audience, you're going to click on lookalike, and they're going to be listed right here. You're going to select which lookalike audience you're going to target. You're going to have one per ad set, okay? So say for example that you're targeting 1%, you would just put that and then exclude purchasers, okay? And once you do that, you want to uncheck this, scroll down, click Next, and the ad you're going to use for your lookalike audience is going to be the same ads that you were using for your original interest campaign, okay? So you're going to basically add the same 3 ads in the ad set, okay, by using the existing post. So what you're going to do is just click here, click Use Existing Post, okay, and then you're going to go back to the page posts. So we're going to go to page posts, click on add posts, and again you're going to see the IDs here, right? You're going to copy it back here, click submit, okay, and then you're going to publish it, and then you could put also which ad this is here, okay? You could put whatever the headline is for this ad. Okay, so you know which ad is each one. So then you're going to click Publish, and it's going to get approved because your original ads got approved. So what you're going to do from here then is you're going to duplicate the ad twice in the original campaign. Click Duplicate. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back and get the page post IDs of the other ads that were in your original campaign. You're going to copy them, okay, put it in here. There we go. Click Publish, and then you're going to go to the next one, copy the other ad ID, put it in here, click Publish, okay, and then you're ready to go. What you're going to do next is you're going to duplicate the ad set. Okay. So there's going to be 9 ad sets, the same as, retargeting, because you're using those custom audiences. So then what you're going to do is all you're going to do is scroll down and change your custom audience, okay? So now you're going to pick 1% lookalikes for initiate checkout. And then the next ad set, you're going to pick 1% lookalikes for view content. And then the next ad set, you're going to pick 1% lookalikes for 3-second video views, and so on and so forth, okay? Until you fulfilled all the custom audiences. Then you want to exclude purchasers. Okay, and obviously you want to put the countries you're targeting, and then once you're done doing that for all the ad sets and labeling them, okay, You're going to change them, right? Initiate checkout is this ad set, and then this ad set is going to be 1% lookalike audience for view content, and so on and so forth, like we talked about. Once that's all done, you don't have to do anything in the ad set level because you already duplicated the ad set that already had the existing posts within them. Okay, so what you're going to want to do here, then you just select all of them that aren't published, click edit, then click publish once you've edited all the ad sets, and then it publishes and you're good to go. Okay, so you're going to see how that performs. All right. If you want, you could also, duplicate these and put the 2% lookalike audiences. Okay. Now remember, now I talk about this in the exclusions video, but basically, like, if you're going to be targeting 2% lookalike audiences, then you want to exclude 1% lookalikes and purchasers in the ad set. Because if you don't do that, which I'll talk more in detail about this, what happens is Facebook is going to start if you just put 2%, then it also targets 1%. So both of your ad sets are going to be targeting 1%, so you don't want to do that. So what you're going to want to do is exclude 1%. Now, say for example, you're targeting 3% lookalike audiences. Then you want to exclude 1% lookalikes and 2% lookalikes and purchasers, okay? Because you don't want to overlap your ad sets where you're spending money on the same audience, okay? And also that causes overlap issues within Facebook, and basically your ads are going to be competing against each other. All right. So say for example, you're targeting 6% lookalike audiences. Then you want to exclude 5%, 4%, 3%, 2%, 1%, and purchasers. Okay. So what you would do basically, say for example, this is a 6% ad set that I created. Over here, I would have 6% here, lookalike, say for add to carts. Then I would exclude all the way from 1 to 5% add to cart lookalike audiences. Okay, so make sure you do that if you're going to be testing higher lookalike audiences, because that avoids overlapping and competing with your own ads, and also wasting money on the same audience. Okay, now if you're going to test the same percentages of lookalike audiences, like say for example you started with 1%, you didn't just start with all the percents, and this campaign's performing really well, I would create a new campaign for 2%, okay? And if the 2% is performing well, I'd create a new campaign for 3%. Now, if you're going to test everything all at once, then you could put everything all in the same campaign. Reason being is, like, say for example, you're just doing 1%, it's performing really well. You don't want to mess with anything in this campaign, adding ad sets, any of that stuff that could potentially screw up the performance. So what you're going to want to do is create new campaigns. Now, if you have just a campaign where you're just testing all the percents in one campaign, that's fine, okay, because you're starting out the campaign like that, so there's nothing really to mess up. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for creating your campaigns for lookalike audience, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.